Hello everyone, hello. This is the part 2 of our Moana boat ride in the Ottawa River. Welcome back, and see how refreshing the water is. Look at that, it's featuring the Rideau Falls. And yeah, just a little background of the Rideau waterfalls. It's located in Ottawa in Ontario, province of Ontario, Canada, where the Rideau River empties into the Ottawa River, and it's named Rideau. It's a French word for curtain, due to the resemblance between Rideau Falls and a curtain. In earlier times, the river was used as a transportation route between the Ottawa and Saint Laurent River. That's my niece, you see that? Okay, look at the water. It's just very inviting. So you should come, and we'll definitely do it again. We have an just amazing time. You should do it, guys, when you visit Ottawa. Yeah, this is one of the things that you should do. Have a boat ride, and there are lots of things you can do, I know, and like going visit some restaurants, but this one is one that you can have a beautiful, you go home with a beautiful memory with your friends. Okay, and you see also our captain. There our captain and his partner. Okay, amazing. Thank you, guys. Thank you all for watching, and please like and subscribe, and bye for now. Yay!